Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's NGX Daily Market Summary. This is a roundup of the key highlights from the day's trading session. The NGX is the Nigerian equities market. Today is Thursday, November 7, 2025. Trading has closed, and so that is why I'm doing this roundup now. Before we dive in, thank you to everyone who takes out the time to like, to share, to comment every time we drop a video on this channel. I do not take you for granted. Feedbacks welcome, comments welcome, and it means a great deal to me because that is time, energy spent doing that, and I do not take it for granted. As always, please note, nothing I say is, nothing the team says, nothing you see on this channel is financial or trading or personal finance advice. All share index gained 0.12% today. The mild gain you saw in the index was due to MTN rising by 1.07%. Now, the index measures the average performance of stocks on the exchange. Some stocks will do better than the index, some stocks will do worse than the index. 324 million shares valued at 13 billion were traded in 18,328 deals. Two stocks gained 10% today. Keja Hotel gained 10% to close at 27 naira 50 kobo a share. Linkage Assurance get 10% as well to close at 1 naira 87 kobo a share. You also had two stocks essentially gaining 10%. I mean, 9.96 is almost 10%. So that's why I have these two stocks here. Learn Africa up 9.96% to close at 5 naira 74 kobo. NCR still pushing up 9.96% to close at 54 naira and 65 kobo share. On the losing side of things, Champion Breeze fell 9.85%, it closed at 12 naira 35 kobo a share. Sterling Holdco fell 8.33% to close at 7 naira 15 kobo a share. UPDC fell 8.23% to close at 5 naira and 2 kobo a share. So let me take that again, because there is some close similarity, especially with the last two. Champion Breweries fell 9.85% to close at 12 naira 35 kobo a share. Sterling Holdco fell 8.33% to close at 7 naira 15 kobo a share. And UPDC fell 8.23% to close at 5 naira and 2 kobo a share. On the volume side of things, Fidelity Bank led the pack, 32.1 million shares traded. UBA second place, 28.2 million shares traded. GTCO third place, 26.1 million shares traded. Now, in terms of value, GTCO led the pack, 2.26 billion naira worth of shares traded. MTN second place, 1.62 billion naira worth of shares traded. And UBA third place, essentially billion naira worth of shares traded. Now, while so far, Presco clarified media reports about the revocation of its CFO for the Ologbo estate. So what's under consideration is a possible excision of just 20 hectares located within an area containing crude oil wells. Now, and that's land is, I think it's over 13,000 hectares. So this is a source of relief, and this is just allaying media reports. Actually, a media publication or a publication in the Vanguard newspapers yesterday and all that. So it's good to see Presco clarifying that the Edo State government essentially also gave their own rebuttal to that publication. Access Holdings will be holding an extraordinary general meeting. That is the full meaning of EGM. On the 18th of December 2025, it's going to be virtual, so it's not a physical thing. Why are they holding the meeting? The company will be seeking approval to raise up to 40 billion naira via a private placement. Now, this post goes up on my Substack by 5 p.m. West African time, on the Greenticker podcast by 7 p.m. West African time. All links are in my bio, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for listening. See you in tomorrow's pre-market video. Stay safe.